The problem is this car is getting dirty a lot. I need, mud flaps, 4 mud flaps so that it can protect my car from such mud. Whenever tire comes on muddy puddle, the mud, comes and directly comes on this and this. As you can see, it's very, very dirty. Just splashes and it comes very dirty. So I'm just going to car accessory shop to get mud flaps installed over here. So let's go. Let's go. Yes, everybody. So right now, I along with Akshat, I'm heading towards the car accessory shop where I have to get 4 mud flaps installed to protect my car from mud. Isn't it, Akshat? So let's go. And here we go. I will clean this car. It's quite dirty. Clean this car first. Let's go and get the mud flaps installed.
Is it gonna be like a natural piece of plastic, or is it gonna be those flappy things on autos?
Let's see. Now I'm just recording this using my iPhone, and I have one what is called a tripod type of things. I have just installed that tripod on the dashboard, and I have put my mobile phone over there. The video is being recorded. However, it is shaking. As car shakes, it also shakes. I can understand that. But no problems. Yeah, eat whatever you want to eat. Just keep eating. So I'm just going to reach the shop where I have to get mud flaps installed. I think this is nearby. The shop is nearby. Last time did we come here actually? Do you remember?
I remember that chemical store.
That is quite. That is there. You have to go a little far. Hey, where are you? I can't see you, Akshat. Where are you? You're here. Okay. See, this is the shop. Let me park my car here. Fine, guys. So we have reached here. The shop is just in front of me. I'm going to ask him for mud flaps. Akshat will be here. Okay, I'm just coming. Yes, guys. So you can see the mud flaps. Now they are going to be installed. After they get installed, then the problem of mud splashing on my car will finally get vanished. I will not face it anymore. There you can see. So guys, as you can see now, it is finally installed. See, this is the mud flap of Thar Roxx. Thar Roxx. Strongly connected. Okay. ऐसा कुछ गिरेगा तो नहीं. ये है लुक इसका. Fine, guys. So after getting all the mud flaps installed, I am heading towards the nearby petrol pump to get fuel. Though it's a diesel car, diesel vehicle. We always call fuel pump as petrol pump. We are in the habit of calling it petrol pump. So even if it is diesel, we are saying petrol pump. But better vocabulary would be fuel pump, or in foreign country they say gas station. So let's go to the fuel pump to refuel our car because my Thar Roxx is on low fuel, running on low fuel. So as far as fuel is concerned, I remember when I bought this car, that time I bought diesel for 1000 rupees on the very first day. After that, I bought diesel for 2000 rupees. So total I have spent 3000 rupees. So when I have to go for long drive, suppose I am going 200 kilometers far or maybe 100 kilometers far, so I will try to go for full tank. I'll go to the fuel pump and ask him to fill the tank until it is full. Then I will be free to go, on highway anywhere. So let's go to the fuel pump. Fuel pump. Yes, guys. So finally, I have reached the fuel pump. Now I'm going to get 1000 rupees diesel filled in my Thar Roxx tank. And here we go. So this is the petrol pump. 1010 का डाल दो डीजल 1010 हाँ चेक दैट जीरो हाँ डीजल ही डाल रहे हो ना हाँ ठीक है zoom the number
Over there?
until it stops recording. पर्ची निकाल देना पर्ची स्कैन दो हाँ स्कैन and here we go. Now we are going home. It's quite late. Akshat had just come from school and he has been with me since he came from school. He has just taken chips, kurkure, all the dirty items, Akshat. Aren't they dirty? So now he'll go home and he'll have his food. He wanted to spend some time with me. Did you like it, Akshat?
Yeah.
Yeah? You wanted to go for a ride with me, right?
Yeah.
We'll go for long drives soon, okay, Akshat?
Okay.
Fine, guys. So thank you very much for watching this vlog video. It was all about getting mud flaps installed and getting my car refueled. Well, that's it, guys. So one day I'll make a blog related to long drive very soon. So thank you very much. So see you guys. Thank you.